going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in Hollywood. Haven't been out here in forever. Let's go check out some of the shops. All right, Hollywood and Highland. Dude got the Foot Locker here. Got a diagonal sidewalk too. Or diagonal crosswalk. All right, yeah, let's go see what they got there. Got a kids Foot Locker upstairs, women's Foot Locker on the far end. Let's start with the House of Hoops right here. So this is the Jordan section right here. Pretty legit Jordan section, not too crazy, but pretty legit. Then on the other side right here, Nike basketball. Got a decent selection. I thought they'd have more LeBrons. I thought they'd have LeBron 20s, but nah, they don't. I'm surprised. Let's start with the Jordan section. We're starting with the Jordan Performance, the Jordan 37s. Seen these a few times, definitely interesting. They got that Atom knit type of material on top. Is that what busted? I heard one of these busted on one of the players. I know they're trying to make it light, but I don't know. Is that just too ridiculous? I don't know. But yeah, these are going for what, 185? Is that? Yeah, 185. Still the price. Okay. Still got a 36 low chilling here. 165 for these. Multiple colorways. Okay, 175 for this one. They're both the low. I guess this one came out later and prices just kept going up. Got the Zion 2s right here, $120 for these. The Zoom separates. Right here. More of the Zion 2s. I just saw this for the first time earlier this week. Black cement, looks like. Okay. 120 for those. Got some Westbrook 0.5s or 0.5s. These are going for, those were at 130. The step back right here. Oh, I'm sorry. The Take 3s, the budget line. And the Lukas going for $100. Okay. Now go to the retros, the 11 low IEs, some mids, all white mids. Okay, go for $120. 5s, 6s, the midnight navies. Haven't seen those in a minute. Got more 6s, Georgetowns, French blue 13s, mids. Got some 7s. And then a couple more mids, inside out ones right here. These go for $135. I think this one's a SC, right? Yeah, that's a SC. Then some lows right there, yup. Oh wait, almost missed these. Got, what are these, the Heritage? Got these bad boys right here. Go for what, 170. Oreo 6s, got one of those. And Zion 1s, they still have a couple Zion 1s. And then another one right here. I don't know why this one's not on sale. Throw that on sale, come on now. LeBron 19s on sale. Of course they should be, the 20s are out. Even got these LeBron 9 lows. Okay. Oh, and they got the 2s. They do got the 2s. I kind of like the gold ones better. This is the Midnight Navy colorway. Kind of like the gold ones. $210 for these. I haven't seen one of the gold ones, man. They've been selling out at the outlets, I guess, huh? Damn, dude. Did I miss my opportunity? Zoom GTs on sale as well. Okay. Those might be like the best non-signature basketball sneaker, I think, that Nike makes. 180 normally. KD 14s on sale, as they should be. Dude got some Kyries. We're taking off the Nike website. Now they're back. And this one's my favorite colorway. If I find one of these on sale eventually, maybe. We've been seeing Vapor Max on sale. I'm still not used to it. And then we've seen plenty of those Prestos on sale, as well as those Air Max 95s right there. We also still continue to see these bad boys right here. Okay. And then are these the Halloween dunks? Aren't these the Halloween dunks? This is a size 9. I did see one of these available at one of the other spots. Still has that regular dunk leather. I'm good on these, man. I'm good on these. I think it has 3M on it though. Yeah, I guess that part right here is 3M. And then I know the sole is glow in the dark too, so that's pretty dope that these are available. That is pretty dope. Pretty dope. You know, yeah. We've been seeing Hokas at a bunch of the Foot Lockers. This is pretty dope because I would love to find some of these on sale. At the retailers online, you'd like never find these on sale. These are the Clifton 8s right here. Super light, tons of EVA foam. Super comfy. I'm gonna have to get me one of these for some family members eventually. I don't want to pay full price though. Full price is $140. Do got some Diodoras on sale. These are the N9002s. Got the Ivan Drago ones here on sale. Ivan Drago from Rocky 4. If he dies, he dies. Yeah, my terrible rendition of that. $40. The regular price for these, $120. But they got a few of them on sale. The N9002, pretty dope, old school design. Of course, I'm a fan of this material right here. It does have that suede on it. Man, not necessarily a fan of the color blocking, but love the materials. That sprinkles on it. I guess this is one of the, oh, it's an ice cream one. Oh, okay, so. I see some of you guys complaining about me not showing plenty of other brands. I'm like, dude, I show whatever's on sale, man. Whatever's on sale, that's what I focus on. Like, these are pretty dope. Like, I like the material on these 574s. I've always been a fan of the 574s, but just don't like them at retail. I still don't understand what the hype was on these 550s. They're coming out with women's sizes too. Got a ton of them. I still don't understand it. $110 retail for those. Just got a ton of colorways. Got a bunch of them, and a lot of them are readily available. MB1s, got one leftover colorway of those. Then the MB2s. MB2s doesn't look like they've been moving as much. It's like a sleeker version of the MB1s, it looks like. Okay. This is the Adidas section right here. Got a ton of different Adidas. They do got these foam thingies, wannabe foam runner, Adidas ones. They have multiple colorways too. The foam quakes go for $120. I'm a fan of these right here, the forums. This is like one of the 84 ones, because it has like that nice leather on them. It does have a little bit of suede. These are fire, dude. These are dope. And the non-84 ones right here with the leather's not as great. Colorway still dope. This is one of the 84 ones. The better material on it. Color's fire too. Dope that they're coming out with better colorways with the better material. This is another Forum 84 with some mesh on it, mesh and suede. And it seems like they have every colorway of the Gills, the Agent Zeros. I think this is my favorite colorway of the Gill Zero Resto mod. Like, I just like this color. I really like it. It was supposed to release like early this year, and then everything got pushed back, and then we see them at the stores, dude. Hopefully I can grab one of these. This one's fire. I don't know why I like this colorway so much, but I like it. I don't know, $140 for those. Checking out the slide section, readily available, the Adelaide 22s. I'm gonna eventually get one of these. They have multiple colorways. I really don't want to pay $55 for them. They had them like 30% off on the Adidas website one time, and I missed that. Of course, by the time I found out, it was all sold out. I would like to get one of those. Knocking stuff over, what the heck. Hopefully those go on sale. I'll get one eventually. They do look fire. Look pretty comfy too. Heard people have mentioned in the comment section that the Yeezy slides tend to be a little more comfortable though. Do have an entire women's section here. Pretty dope. I don't really see anything I need right now though. Also have that upstairs section for kids. Pretty decent size kids Foot Locker upstairs. But I need to go, dude. I need to go. All right, let's head out to the next spot. What are all these fools waiting for? I don't even know what these fools are waiting for. I don't know. But do you see the sign right there? Shoe Palace this way. All right, let's go. One of the best places to see the Hollywood sign. You can see it in the background right there. Finally done with all the construction. It's about time. All right, do got the flagship Shoe Palace here. Apparently they got raffles coming up. Okay. If you guys have been here, they've changed the design of this place a ton. A lot more apparel. The displays are all different. Wow, way different now. Jordan area looks entirely different now. Wow. Downstairs section looks pretty similar. Don't see any big changes here. Their Reebok section has always been doper than most other spots. I don't see it today though. I don't see it. This is one of the few spots that have these. These are fire too. These are fire. Still has the old I think that's the old pricing, right? 130. This is a low though. But this, man, I'm just a fan of these. Got some really, really nice, I think it's nubuck, right? Nice nubuck on it. Does have that baby blue, powder blue, university blue. Fire, dude. Such a fan of these. 130 for these. These are sold out everywhere. I'm surprised to see these. Oh, go for $90 here. They are on sale. I think the original price on these were 140. Does have that suede. Man, these are dope, dude. And got the latest one right here, going for 150 now. Oh, dang. Got some of the classic nylons on sale too. I feel like that should be the regular price, dude. I think these are like normally like 80 bucks. And I'm like, man, that's a little bit high, dude. Checking the Adidas section and seen almost every colorway here now, dude. Seen almost every colorway. This is fire, dude. These are dope. I don't know why I like those so much. I love slides though, that's why. Might be the cheapest NMDs I've ever seen. $60 for those. Okay. Alright, I'm not a huge fan of the MNDs, but pretty cheap. Got the Air Raids right here. Still go for 140. Isn't that like one of the older colorways that sold out everywhere? Also got these. Haven't seen these almost anywhere. 160 for the Barclays right here. Okay. Okay. Do got these here. I remember mentioning someone in the comment section saying, hey, these aren't around where they are. They got a few here. Okay. This is size 9 on display. Still go for 160. Still getting used to seeing all these dunks here. I know they're dunk highs, but man, even these were like selling out like crazy just a little while ago. And then the women's Jordan section right here. I love the material on these, just not a fan of the color. And then got all kinds of mids, even got highs. And then got these right here. Oh, someone was telling me this is a high 85 cut, and they're totally right. Look, you can see the difference. You can totally see the difference. Wow, the top is skinnier right here. The leather they used is hella nice. Holy crap. Yeah, man. And then of course got some of those left over. I'm just not a fan of those. And then in the men's section, got all the J's, man. The 7s, the 12s, man, the 5s, the 1s right here. Still got these. These are huge sizes though. People are saying this is like almost exactly the same as the Chicago's with the crack leather on the toe box all along the side panel and the top right here. Just the yellow is red, or the Volt is red. Breeze. Got some 5s right here. 6s. Man, they got every Jordan you can think of. Holy cow, holy cow. The Gore-Tex, they only have one more of these, I heard. The mids, man. All right, I think I got one more place to stop by today, man. This is dope. This is dope. Come in here. Tons of J's if you need them. All right, we're out. Right when I'm walking out, I didn't even notice these are right here. These what do they call these? The Hurricane? Miami Hurricane? I don't know. They do got these dunks available. That's crazy. Crazy.